Hello, my name is Cynthia and welcome to Senior Insights. Come and join me on a little afternoon walk. I'm going to look at the buds on the trees and the moss on the rocks and just enjoy communing with nature. And I'd love to have you come along. Kind of. Here we go, going for a little walk. This is a little memory garden that I better get cleaned out pretty quick before everything is a total mess. Here's the rhododendron I showed you the other day. It doesn't look quite as bad, but it looks pretty bad. Look at that. And look at that. I'm hearing a loon, I think. If you can believe it. I'm going to go in a different direction today. So, bear with me. Well, I've been in this direction, but my neighbor called me and she says she is going to pick up some of this dead wood. So that's a good thing. Because it needs to be done. Isn't it kind of amazing how trees can grow out of the rocks? That's just a little bit of soil on the top of the rocks. Here's a bush, you can see the buds on it. Thank goodness. I actually just have a t-shirt. That's like a miracle in itself. It's the first time. Let's check this out and see. Yes, you can see the buds. Can you see? I'm asking you if you can see like you're right with me. Well, you are. Look at this cool moss. Can you see the little, how cool is that? Some more blossoms. Pretty pine tree. Someone keeps telling me that I need to walk slower. So that's why I'm walking slower. And I'm stopping to show you these little miracles that are happening. They are happening. You can barely see that it's getting a little greener. Well, I've already walked 4 miles. Four minutes. 4 minutes and I'm not huffing and puffing. Here's one of those beautiful rocks. Look at it. That is so cool. I don't know what you call that, but it's obviously a type of moss. It almost looked like shriveled up leather. I think I have to turn around. I don't want to exert myself too much. I don't want to die while I'm taping a video. I should say recording. There's no taping videos anymore, is there? No. So this is the lakeside now. There's some more budding bushes. Pretty soon this will all be overgrown. Look at those buds. I wonder if those are pussy willows. I've always wanted pussy willows, but I have never seen the pussy willow plant. It's the lake. You don't need to see gas tanks or anything. Okay, I'm starting to feel like I'm huffing and puffing. It's been 7 minutes. Oh. Look at this cool thing with the buds on it and those kind of strange stems. Thank you for watching and coming along with me on my walk. I appreciate it. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.